So in this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp messages to new Facebook leads and notify team on Google Chat. Let's say you are running some Facebook ads and you are generating some new leads over there. And you want to send a WhatsApp message to your new leads and also want to update your team members on Google Chat about the new lead which you have generated. And at last, you want to add the details of this new lead into the Google Sheet. So let me tell you, you can actually automate this complete process. So in this automation, whenever a new lead will be generated in Facebook lead ads, automatically using AI Sensei, we are going to send a WhatsApp message to the new lead. Also, we are going to notify our team on Google Chat by sending the message of the new lead details. And at last, we are going to add those new lead details into a Google Sheet as a new row. So if you want to know how you can set up this automation, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
As you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name a workflow as Facebook Lead Ads to AI Sensei to Google Chat to Google Sheets. Facebook Lead Ads to AI Sensei to Google Chats to Google Sheets. So this is the kind of name I want to give. I'm mentioning all the applications which we are using. You can basically give any name of your choice and then just click on Create. Now as we click on Create, here you can see a workflow is open in front of us. And in this workflow, you can see 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So the idea here is, first we have to connect our Facebook Lead Ads account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger window, so that every time we receive a new lead on a Facebook Lead Ads, automatically the details of that new lead should be captured inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger. So let's say, for example, I have created this Facebook page on my Facebook profile, and on this Facebook page, I'm running some lead ads, and using those ads, I'm generating some new leads. Now I want that whenever a new lead is generated, I want to send a WhatsApp message to the same newly generated lead using AI Sensei. So in the next step, we are going to connect AI Sensei and we are going to automate the process of sending the WhatsApp message to the new Facebook leads. Then after that, I also want to update my team members that a new lead is generated. So here guys, we are going to send the details of that newly generated lead as a message on Google Chat as well. So on our Google Chat space, we will be notifying our team members. And at last, also we are going to add the details of that same new lead as a new row in our Google Sheet, just to maintain a record. And we are going to completely automate this whole process using one single automation. So let's see how it is done. Starting from our trigger window, in Choose App, search for Facebook Lead Ads. Just select it. After selecting Facebook Lead Ads and Trigger Event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as New Lead Instant. After selecting a trigger event, just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here guys, we have to connect our Facebook Lead Ads account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this Connect with Facebook Lead Ads button. Now because I have already logged into my Facebook account in my browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account. Just click on this Continue button, and after clicking on Continue, we will see our Facebook account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the page. And here in the drop down, you can see a list of different pages which we have created on our Facebook profile. So here guys, on which Facebook page we are running some lead ads, we have to select that page over here. So in this drop down, you can see a list of all the pages which I have created in my Facebook profile. So guys, the page on which we are running some lead ad, the page which we are going to use in this video is named as Green Pro Landscaping. So here in Pabbly Connect, we are going to search for the same page, Green Pro Landscaping. You have to select the Facebook page on which you are running some lead ads. Then after selecting the Facebook page, it is asking us for the lead gen form. And in the drop down, you can see all the lead gen form which I have created in this Facebook page. You can see all of those forms over here. So it is most likely possible, like when running some Facebook ads, you might have created different lead generation forms. So you have to select the form that new leads from which form you want to receive inside Pabbly Connect. So in this Facebook page, you can see I have a form named as Green Landscape. So I'm going to select that form, lead gen form over here. Now here guys, you can see we will be using the Facebook lead ads testing tool, Meta Developers lead ad testing tool. Using this testing tool, we can generate some test leads and capture those leads inside Pabbly Connect. So here guys, you can use this tool to generate some test leads, some dummy leads and capture the details or set up your automation workflow. If you want to know how you can reach to this Facebook's lead ad testing tool or how you can use it, we have a dedicated video already live on the channel. You can refer to that video and learn how you can use this lead ad testing tool. So here while setting up this automation, we have selected our page and lead gen form. After this, just click on this save and send test request button. And when we click on save and send test request button, you will see it has now changed to waiting for webhook response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some details of a new lead from our Facebook profile from Facebook lead ads. And the lead generation form should be this form. So let's generate some test lead. Using this lead ad testing tool, we will be generating a test lead right now. We have selected the Facebook page and also the lead gen form over here. Now just click on this preview form button. And after that, here you can see the lead generation form which we have created. This form is open in front of us in preview mode. Let's enter the details of a dummy lead. For example, the name of the person is demo user. This is the email address of this dummy lead which we are creating. And then this is the mobile number. So whatever mobile number the new lead is going to enter in this lead gen form, on the same number we will be sending the WhatsApp message using AI Sensei. After entering all of these details, just click on this next button and click on submit. And as we click on submit, we will see this new lead is generated using this Facebook lead ad testing tool. So we have just now generated a test lead over here. And because we have connected our Facebook lead ad account with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow, we have received some response in this trigger window. And in this response, you can see the details of this exact same lead. You can see the same first name, same last name, same email address, and also the same mobile number. This means the connection of Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is working perfectly fine. And using this connection, whenever a new lead will be generated in Facebook lead ads, automatically the details of that new lead will be captured inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger. Now guys, after completing the step 1, let's move to step 2. In step 2, what we want to do, we want to send a WhatsApp message to the new lead on the same number which they have entered in this lead generation form. And to send the WhatsApp message, we will be using AI Sensei, which is an official API service of WhatsApp. Now to send the WhatsApp message, just scroll down, come to this action window and here in choose app, search for AI Sensei. Just select it. After selecting WhatsApp by AI Sensei, in action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Send Template Message. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection over here. Now here guys, we have to connect our AI Sensei account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our AI Sensei account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. So to get it, just go to your AI Sensei account. From the left sidebar, go to this Manage section and then go to API key. And here you can see the API key of your AI Sensei account. Just copy this API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after pasting the API key, just click on Save. Now when we click on Save, you will see our AI Sensei account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After connecting our AI Sensei account, the first thing it asks us is the campaign name. Now to send WhatsApp messages using AI Sensei, what we have to do? First, we have to create a template message in our AI Sensei account. So here under Manage, you can go to this template message section. And here guys, you can see a list of all the templates which we have created in our AI Sensei account. By clicking on this new button, you can start creating your own template message of your choice. So first we have to create a template message, and after creating that template message, we have to create a campaign in our AI Sensei account using the same template. So there's a template named as new leads 123. this is the kind of message I want to send to my new Facebook leads which we are generating. Now here guys, what we want to do, first we have to create a campaign in ASNC using this same template, that is new leads 123. Let me show you. Just go to this campaign section and then here you can see a list of all the campaigns which you have already created. To create a new one, just click on this launch button, select API campaign and go to next. After coming to this page, here it is asking us the campaign name and template. In campaign name, I would like to name it as Facebook Lead Ads. And here in template, we have to select that what is the WhatsApp message template we want to send. So the template which we were looking for is new leads 123. So using this campaign, I want to send this template, this WhatsApp message to the new Facebook leads which we are generating. So here guys, in Pabbly Connect workflow, we have to enter the name of the campaign, that using which campaign the WhatsApp message should be sent to users. If you have already created a campaign and selected the template message, you can directly enter the campaign name. Right now, I have created this new campaign, so I'll just click on this set live button and this new campaign is created. I will just copy the name of this campaign and paste it over here. So in this way, we have just now created this campaign in AI Sensi, and then using this campaign, we will be sending the WhatsApp messages to our new Facebook leads. Now, after creating the campaign and entering the campaign name, the next thing it asks us is the mobile number. That what is the mobile number of the new lead to whom we want to send the WhatsApp message. So we have received the mobile number of the user in this Facebook lead ads response. In trigger response, where we have received the details of the new lead, we have received the response of mobile number as well. And now what we have to do? We have to map this response of mobile number received from Facebook lead ads to this AI Sensi field of mobile number. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received of a new lead from Facebook lead ads. Out of all of these responses, select this response of phone number and it will be mapped. So whatever phone number the user is going to enter in our lead gen form, the same phone number will be received inside Pabbly Connect, and on the same mobile number, we will be sending the WhatsApp message using AI Sensi. After mobile number, the next thing it asks us is the username, that what is the name of this person. So we have also received the response of the username of the person, the name of the person. So we have to one by one map the response of first name and last name in this username section. And as you all know, the process of mapping stays the same. Just click here. From the drop-down from Facebook lead ad responses, select the response of first name and it will be mapped. Then add a space and then from the drop-down, select and map the response of last name. Then it is asking us for the source, that what is the source of this new contact or new lead which we are getting. So you can basically enter any source according to your choice. For example, I would like to enter the source as Facebook Forms. So I'll be entering source as Facebook Forms over here. If you want to add something else as the source, you can enter anything over here. Or you can keep this field of source as blank. Then it is asking us for the tag, that do you want to add the tag to this new contact or the new message which we are sending. So we don't want to add a tag, so you can ignore this field. Then it is asking us for the template parameter. Now here guys, in template parameter, in this template message which we have selected in this campaign, let me show you. We have basically added some variables, some parameters over here. Let's go to this campaign section, Facebook lead ads, and this is the template message. Now in this message, you will see after dear, we have added a number in double curly braces. We have written 1 in double curly braces. After that, in this message, you can also see number 2 in double curly braces as well. So after dear, I wanted to mention the name of the person, the name of the Facebook lead to whom we will be sending the WhatsApp message. But for every new lead or every new WhatsApp message we send, the name of the person will be keep on changing. This means the name of the person is a dynamic text. It's a variable which will be keep on changing. And to add these kind of variables in our template message, we add these numbers in double curly braces. And what is the text? What is the data you want to enter in place of this variable while sending the WhatsApp message? You have to enter that text in this template parameter field. So these are the parameters, and what is the text we want to enter in place of these parameters? You have to enter those parameters over here. So the first parameter which we have is 1. And in place of 1, we wanted to mention the name of the person. So here in our Pabbly Connect workflow in template parameter, here just click here. and from the drop down, select the response of first name of the person and it will be mapped. So whatever first name the new lead is going to enter in our lead gen form, with the same first name after dear, we will be sending the WhatsApp message. After that, here you can see we have template parameter 2. And in place of template parameter 2, I want to mention the email address of that person. So here we'll get back to Pabbly Connect, and here what we are going to do, to add this value, we will add a comma. After comma, we will be mentioning the value of template parameter 2. So just click here from the drop down, select and map the response of email address. So in this way, you can basically create as many template parameters as you want in your template message, and you can enter the details of those template parameters, the data which you want to enter in place of those parameters in the WhatsApp message over here by entering comma separated values. After entering template parameters, it is asking us for the attributes. So if you want, you can send some attributes as well. But because we are not entering or sending any kind of attributes over here, so you can ignore this field for now. Then it is asking us for the URL and file name. So guys, while sending the WhatsApp message, you also have an option to send some kind of image, document, video as the WhatsApp message attachment as well. So if you have created a template message using which you are sending some kind of document, text, image or video with the WhatsApp message, you have to enter the URL of that media file over here and you have to enter the file name over here. Right now in this template message, we are not sending any kind of media file or any kind of attachment. So we can ignore this field for now. And then just click on save and send test request. Now when we click on save and send test request, here you will see we are going to receive some response. And in this response guys, you can see this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that this template message is being sent to the same Facebook lead who has made the form submissions. Means the response of the new lead which we have generated over here on the same number with these details, a WhatsApp message is sent. So let's check it. We will go to the WhatsApp account of this number and we will check for this message. And yes guys, here you can see that just now the same template message which we have created in AI Sensei, the same message is received. In this message, you can see it says, welcome on board, dear demo, means the same name of the lead which we have entered while generating this lead. Then you can see the message says, welcome to Pabbly Connect, we are glad to have you on board. Enjoy the latest update on integration and automation application and a lot more. A welcome kit has been shared with you at demo@pabblitudes.com. So here you can see the same name which we have received from Facebook lead at, and here you can see the same email address which the new lead has entered. Please feel free to contact in case of query. Regards, Pabbly Connect. So this means you can see the step 2 of setting up this automation is also completed. We have successfully connected our AI Sensei account as well and sent a WhatsApp message to new Facebook lead. Now after this, let's move to step 3. In step 3, we want to send a notification on our Google Chat account, our Google Chat space, to update our team members regarding this same new lead as well. For that, we will just scroll down and click on this Add Action Step button over here. After this, here in Choose App, we are going to search for Google Chat. Just select it. After selecting Google Chat Hangout in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Create Message. If you want, you can send a card message or custom card message as well. But right now, I want to send a plain message, so I will be selecting Create Message. Then just click on Connect. Now after this, the first thing it asks us is the chat webhook URL. Now to connect our Google Chat space with Pabbly Connect and send messages using Pabbly Connect in our Google Chat space, what we have to do? First, we have to create a webhook URL in the space on which we want to send the WhatsApp message. Like in my Google Chat account, I have created the space named as new Facebook lead. And to create a webhook URL of the space, we will go to this 3 dots, this option, and then here you can see an option named as Apps and Integrations. Just click on it. After coming to the Apps and Integrations, just click on this Manage Webhooks button and then give this webhook a name. For example, I would like to name this webhook as Pabbly Connect. And after naming your webhook URL, just click on this Save button. As we click on Save, here you can see this webhook URL is generated in our Google Chat space. Just copy this webhook URL from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after pasting it, using this webhook URL, the messages will be posted, will be shared on our Google Chat space. After pasting the webhook URL, the next thing it asks us is the message. That what is the message we want to send. So I want my message to be hello team. So this is the kind of message I want to send to my team members on Google Chat. Hello team, a new lead is generated in Facebook lead ads. And in this message, I want to mention the name, email and mobile number of the new lead. The details of the new lead which we have received from Facebook lead ad from lead gen form. So one by one, as you can guess, we are going to map the details of the new lead. So we will just click here in front of name, we will just go to the drop down and from Facebook lead at responses, select the response of first name and it will be mapped. Then add a space and then from the drop down, select and map the response of last name. Then click here in front of email and from the drop down, select the response of email and map it. And at last, we are going to map the mobile number. And after creating the message of your choice and mapping all the details which you want to send, just click on save and send test request. Now here guys, in this video, I have just created this simple message and mapped the response of the new lead which we have received from Facebook lead ads. But if you want, you can basically create any message of your choice. And after clicking on save and send test request, here you can see we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the message which we have created, this message is now shared on our Google Chat space. So let's check it. We will go to Google Chats and yes, here you can see that in the same space which we have created named as new Facebook leads, in the same space, a message is sent over here. The message says, hello team, a new lead is generated in Facebook lead ads. The name of the lead is demo lead, the same email address and the same mobile number. This means the step 3 of setting up this automation is also completed. We have successfully notified our team members regarding the new lead which we have generated in Facebook lead ads. Now after this, let's move to our final step. And in the final step, we want to add the details of this new lead as a new row in Google Sheets. So to do this, just click here, just click on this add action step button. And then here in choose app, search for Google Sheets. Just select it. After selecting Google Sheets, an action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Add New Row. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here guys, we have to connect our Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Sign In with Google button. After clicking on Sign In with Google, select your Google Sheets account in which you want to add the details of this new lead. Then just scroll down and click on Continue. And as we click on Continue, we will see our Google Sheets account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After connecting our Google Sheets account, the first thing it asks us is to select the spreadsheet. And in the drop-down, you can see a list of all the spreadsheets which we have created in our Google Sheets account can be seen over here. Out of all of this, we have to select the spreadsheet that in which spreadsheet we want to add the details of the new lead. So we have a spreadsheet named as Facebook leads. In this spreadsheet, I want to add the details of a new lead received from Facebook lead ads. So I will be selecting the spreadsheet over here. After selecting the spreadsheet, it is asking us to select the sheet. So here in the drop down, you can see this option as sheet 1. Because right now in this Google spreadsheet, you can see there is only one sheet named as sheet 1. That's why here you can see sheet 1 as the option. If you have multiple sheets, in the select sheet option, you can see a list of all the sheets which you have created in your Google spreadsheet. After sheet, it is asking us date and time, first name, last name, email and mobile number. So all the columns of data which we have created in this Google Sheet, you can see all of these columns as fields over here. And one by one, we have to map the respective data of new lead which we want to add in Google Sheet into their respective fields. Starting from date and time, here from Facebook lead ads, we have received the response of date and time over here. At what date and time this new lead was generated. But here guys, you will notice this date and time is according to the UTC time zone. So Facebook sends us the date and time of a new lead being created according to UTC time zone. If you want, using a feature or module of Pabbly Connect that is called date time formatter, you can change the format and the time zone of this date and time, or you can add the date and time in UTC time zone directly into the Google Sheet. Right now, I want to change the format and the time zone of this created time which we have received from Facebook lead ads. So what I am going to do, Before this Google Sheets step, just click on this Add Action Step button over here. And then in Choose App, search for Date Time Formatter. After selecting Date Time Formatter, in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Format Date with Time Zone. Then just click on Connect. After clicking on Connect, the first thing it asks us is the date. That what is the date and time whose format and time zone we want to change. So we have received the response of date and time from Facebook lead ads. So we are going to select and map that response of date and time over here. We want to change the format and time zone of this particular date. Then it is asking us from format that in which format this date and time is present right now. So from the drop down here, you can see a list of different formats which we have over here. Out of all of this is the format in which this date and time is present right now. So we have selected this format over here. Then it is asking us to format. And again in the drop down you can see a list of different format. So in which format we want to change this date and time to. So we have this format of day, month, year, hours, minutes and seconds. This is a pretty simple format. So I want to change my date and time into this format. So I have selected this. Then it is asking us from time zone that according to what time zone we have received this response of date and time. So as I told you, we have received this response of date and time according to UTC time zone. So from the drop down, we are going to select UTC as the from time zone, and into time zone, we are going to search for Asia Kolkata. Now here guys, I am in India, and in India, we follow Asia Kolkata time zone. That's why I have selected this option over here. You can basically select any time zone of your choice and then just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received some response. And in this response, you can see the format and the time zone of the date and time at which this new lead was created in Facebook lead ad. This format and time zone is not changed. The format is day, month, year, that is 18th of August 2023, and the time is 10:55 am. So at 10:55 am on 18th of August, this new lead was generated according to the Indian time zone. Now after converting and changing the format over here, what we want to do, we want to add this response of date and time to Google Sheet. But first, click on this Refresh Fields button of Google Sheet Action step. And after refreshing field, we will come to this date and time field. Just click here, and from the drop down from date time formatter responses, select the response of updated date and time, the formatted date and time, and it will be mapped. Then let's map the first name. So we will be using the same process of mapping once again. Select and map the response of first name, then the last name, then the email address. Here it is, the email address, and the mobile number too. So let's select and map the response of mobile number. Now after this, just click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the data which we have mapped over here, all of these details are now added as a new row in Google Sheets. So let's check it. We will go to Google Sheet, and yes, here you can see that just now a new row of data is added in Google Sheets. And here guys, you can see the details of the exact same lead which we have created in Facebook lead ads. This means the automation workflow which we have created in this video, this automation workflow is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever a new lead will be generated in Facebook lead ads, automatically the details of that new lead will be added in our Google Sheet. We are going to send a notification to our team on Google Chat. And also guys, we are going to send a WhatsApp message to the new lead as well using AI Sensei. Now here guys, after setting up this automation, let's test this automation workflow once. We will go back to the Facebook lead ad testing tool. We are going to delete the existing lead which we have created, because using this lead ad testing tool, we can only create one lead at a time. And after that, we are going to generate another test lead. So let me select my Facebook page, that is this Green Pro Landscaping. We will go to preview form. And now guys, we are going to enter the details of a new lead. For example, the name of the lead is test user. This is the email address. And then this is a dummy mobile number. Let's click on next and click on submit. So just now guys, we have generated a new lead on our Facebook lead ads page. And as we generated this new lead, we will see instantly within seconds, a WhatsApp message will be sent to this new lead. So we will go to the WhatsApp account, and yes, here you can see that a WhatsApp message is been sent to the same person. And here you can see the same post name of the lead. Then after that, we will be also sending a notification to our team members on Google Chat. So we will go to Google Chat, and yes, here you can see the details of this new lead is sent on our Google Chat as a message as well on our Google Chat space. And also we are going to add the details of this new lead in our Google Sheet. And yes, here you can see the details of the new lead as well. So we have tested this automation in real time, and this automation is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing. You will find the clone link of this same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pabbly.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down your suggestions, and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.